Welcome everybody to Clarington Kia. Take a look at this 2021 Kia Forte LX with only 43,000 kilometers on it. This electric blue Forte is a one-owner vehicle with no accident history, and it's in fantastic condition. And how about the color? It really does suit this Forte. We're going to take you on a tour of all the features and the condition of the car so you can have a great look at it from the comfort of your own home, and then come here to Clarington Kia to take it out for a drive. Now, underneath the hood, we have a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine. It's connected to an automatic transmission, and it is absolutely fantastic on fuel. You can expect in the 6-liter per 100 kilometer range with this, so it's going to blast past all the pumps on your way to work, grocery stores, and everything else you're going to drive to in your new Forte. You can see from the side profile, it's a good size sedan. There's room for 5 passengers inside. We'll show you that in a moment, but first we want to walk you around the exterior so you can have a nice closer look at it. Around the back, I love the taillights that come all the way across through that trunk lid. This reflector in the back too makes everything look really nice and sporty. They've done such a good job with the Forte, and I love this older gen, especially the headlights up front. You're going to see that in just a moment. But we want to walk you around the complete exterior. You're probably looking at this, maybe you saw it on Auto Trader or on our website and you're interested in purchasing it. Well, you're going to get a great look at it after watching this video. Up front, here's those great headlights, and then this little kind of driving light down below I think is really what does it for me. It's really nice and super sporty. Just a nice looking front end. Now let's go take a look on the inside. We'll start off with the back seats, and then we'll come up front. So in the rear, we've got nice cloth interior, cool little design on the seat here. This is a non-smoking vehicle. There's no rips, tears, stains, or burns anywhere on the interior. And then same thing up front. We've got a height adjustable driver's seat, and these seats up front are also heated seats too as part of that LX trim. And now hopping in, so have a look at the interior here. Give you a little view from the cockpit. Everything's nice and neatly laid out. We have a leather wrapped steering wheel up front, our radio controls on the wheel, cruise control on the other side, and then the odometer reads 43,727 kilometers. That's fantastic low kilometers for a 2021. In the infotainment system, we've got AM, FM, we've got XM satellite radio. You can see that there. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay. Sorry, not XM satellite radio. I was trying to say Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. I got tripped up. But you've got your access to all your digital music that way. And then of course we have a nice clear rear view camera when we put it into reverse. Our heating and air conditioning controls, USB ports, and then our heated seats and drive mode button, and heated seats for the other side. Nice and neat little center console there as well. And then last but not least, here's our Carfax. So one owner, no accidents reported, and we also have 11 service records on file, which is great, so you can go through and review all the maintenance that was done on this Forte as well. Now the next thing you should be doing is calling us here at Clarington Kia. Book your test drive in this Forte. You're going to absolutely love it. It's tremendous on fuel. It's very low cost for maintenance, and it is ready, waiting for a new home here at Clarington Kia. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.